of the day. I welcome you all to your own channel. So, as we all know that teenagers face lots of mood swings and usually face bad times such as failures, rejections, insults, and many more. But you must have a will in yourself, not to get defeated, rather defeat your problems. With this context, I am here with a fresh new topic, that is ups and downs in our life. As we all are aware that everything we do, we admire or even we see has two sides, one positive and the other one is negative. Even nature has both negative and positive sides. And just think, if nature can't be perfect every time, how could we be perfect? How could humans be perfect? Even sometimes our fortunate may also go wrong, which is what defines our life, our living way, state, and even various moments that happen in our life. Nothing on this earth in this universe is perfect. And just for a few good words for us, we think that we should be perfect in all the aspects of life. But have you ever thought that how many professions or how many behavior, how many aspects of life can you opt in one life? The person is one when he is just one individual standing in front of everyone. How could he change himself time to time? Even if we take a numeric, for instance, maximum 4 to 5 professions and max to max 7 to 8 types of behaviors we can change. Not more than that, because we can't change these two on the daily basis. As even if we try to do so, people will raise questions against our behavior. They call us silly fellow, and we ourselves will feel irritated if we try to do so. Thus, we can't go for all the perfections in one life. So, why for not having all the perfections in your life we used to be upset? We used to be stressed, and due to which we sometimes take some huge steps like suicide. That's why I mentioned especially teenagers, because this is very much common in teenagers. So, suicide, depression, overthinking, getting irritated, irritating others, and getting irritated from others. They won't be of any use. Instead, it will affect our own life. Better to do everything at your best and wait for the fruit to bear and have faith that the fruit will surely be sweet. But what we do when we are unable to have perfections in ourselves is we cry, we get depressed, we get shout on others, we pray that either our lives must end or these problems, and there's nothing new or nothing unique in that. We all at some instant, at some moments of life, think the same. Even the one who is writing the same thing, he also thought something while experiencing his life. While writing, some thoughts must be there in his mind or her mind. But what is the advantage is the question which must arise. Is it of any advantage? We just spoil our moves, make ourselves think, or make ourselves ready for committing the worst mistake of our life, ending up our life which snatches all the upcoming opportunities and happiness from us and our life too. In fact, why shouldn't we take a lesson regarding same from the blockbuster movie that took almost all of our heart? The movie Chichore by SSR. It also gives an essential lesson for being living in our life. Don't ever try to ruin your life. Don't ever try to suicide. Except of being used losers, they did their best. No doubt they don't want the game. Yeah, they didn't win, but they actually won their life. They tried their best, and the fruit was actually sweet. That took the tag of losers away from them. Nextly, always remember you are not a loser in this way or that. You have some perfection. Everyone has some perfection inside. People say that they feel, but no one is perfect. Their opinions are not necessarily be true or necessarily be perfect. I always insist on one statement: make mistakes, but to learn from them. Always remember you are special and fortunate that you have got a life as a human. And above all, you are able to fulfill your dreams, your needs, and think of the people who are not able to fulfill their basic needs even. Our mistakes are best teachers of our life. Try to learn from them. But our life is too short that we can't commit all the mistakes in one life, because we can't commit each and every mistake in each and every second. Sometimes we do good things too. So try to learn from mistakes of others too, and don't think to be perfect. Just think to be the best out of you, and see how easy your life will be, and see how perfect your life will be. Thank you so much. I hope you understood.